Okay, in this video, we're going to take a quick look at solving systems of two equations. And in this one, we're just going to look at the idea of graphing. So here we have two equations. Now, both of these equations are in what we call slope-intercept form, where we know the slope and we know the y-intercept. So in the first equation, the y-intercept is the -6. So when x is 0, we have a point at -6. So 0, -6, the y-intercept. Then we see the slope. The number here in front of x is 1. That means we have a rise of 1 and a run of 1. So up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and we graph that equation. The second equation is also in slope-intercept form, where the y-intercept is at -2. So we put a point at -2. Then we have a slope of -3. So remember, this slope is rise over run. So we could say down 3 and to the right 1, down 3 and to the right 1. We would also say +3 or up 3 and then -1 to the left 1, and we get this line here. Well, where these two graphs intersect at this point 1, -5, that is the solution to this systems of equations. If you plug the 1 in for the x for the first equation, you're going to get a -5 for y. And if you plug a 1 in for the second equation, you are also going to -5 for y. That is the solution. And that's how we find solutions of systems of two equations, by graphing. Now you have questions where the equations are not in slope-intercept form, but more standard form, and then you just have to convert that to y equals mx plus b. If you don't remember that, I will have another video linked in on the Canvas page where you can take a look at that.